Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir in a yogurt maker. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains and 2 cups of fresh milk. Make sure your glass jar and yogurt maker are perfectly clean. The yogurt maker will provide the ideal, consistent temperature for successful fermentation. Now, let's set up the fermentation. Gently combine your 1 tablespoon of kefir grains with 2 cups of milk in the clean glass jar. Carefully place this jar inside your yogurt maker. Set the temperature to a precise 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it ferment undisturbed for about 18 to 24 hours, depending on your desired tanginess. Once fermentation is complete, it's time to harvest your delicious kefir. Gently stir the thickened mixture to help separate the grains. Then, strain it through a fine mesh, non-metal sieve into a clean bowl. The smooth, creamy liquid is your finished kefir. Remember to carefully collect and rinse your precious kefir grains. They are ready for their next batch. Proper storage ensures your kefir and grains stay healthy. Store your freshly made kefir in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. For your grains, place them in a small amount of fresh milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. If you need a longer break, freeze them in milk for up to 2 months. Always prioritize cleanliness for the best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.